talk a little bit about scaling. Last time I talked about this bridge, how we modified it. Now, this reindeer is something that one of my students made. And what if we wanted to make this reindeer bigger? Well, to make this bigger, we could use the scaling function. So I'm going to take this and just, there we go. Get the whole thing. And we're going to copy and we're going to paste right here. Oh, let's rotate it so they're facing the same way. And move selection. Oh, all right. So the scale function, which is right here, is on 3 axes: the x, y, and the z. So the z goes that way and that way. The x goes east and west. And the y goes up and down. So let's do a scale on up by 1. So 1, up 1, and up 1. So you'll notice it is now up by a scaled factor of 2. So it's now twice as big as it used to be. And that means everything is bigger, including the little snow that was around it. Now, if I just wanted it to be longer, it would be a little distorted, but that would work. I could, if I want to make it, now it's just as short as it was, but it's a little wider and longer. You can also put decimals. So if you just wanted it maybe 50% bigger, you could do a scale factor of 1.5, 1.5, and 1.5. There we go. So now it's just 50% bigger than it was. Or if you want it smaller, this will cause it to be a little bit distorted. So we do 0.5. Might not be recognizable. We'll see 0.5. And then 0.5. There we go. Oh, still pretty good. So we move it down. It's a little bit smaller now, but it's still recognizable, which is good. All right, so that is scale. Now, what if I wanted, now another reason to use this, and I would hit confirm if I wanted to keep it. If I don't hit confirm, then you lose your work and you gotta do it again. Now, what if I wanted to use this, take this sports arena and make it bigger? Certainly could do that. I'm gonna copy this. There we go. So copy, and let's bring it over here. Paste. Good. So I want to bring it up a little bit. There we go. So I would go scale, make it 50% bigger. How about that? Now when you do it, you'll notice it is a lot bigger now. So let's move it up. Okay. Confirm. Let's see what that did to it. Oh, I didn't. Ah, I see. All right, let's do that again. So I've copied this. I'm going to paste this again. And there we go. All right, and we're going to move it up a little bit. All right, and it's scaled up 50%, so that's how big it was. That's how big it is right now. Hit confirm. Let's see how it looks. So every single block has now been doubled. So you'll notice over here, there's just 1, 1, 2. And if I go into the new one, 1, 2, 3, 1. Some of them, every block gets a 50% increase. Sometimes it looks a little weird like that. That's just how the scaling works. So that is how we would make a sports arena bigger. And of course, you can just keep making it bigger and bigger to whatever your needs might be.